Morning. Oh. Oh. It's been having a bit of a Dutch oven in there. Welcome back to Keegzy's tool shed. Oh, it's one way to wake up. Hey, I'm going camping soon, so I wanted to buy this camp oven, but one thing I noticed on the box here. For a start, I've already unboxed it because it's not a tool. This is Keegzy's tool shed. Welcome back. Tool unboxings are our business here. This is a camp oven that I'm going to take camping with me. But just thought it was funny. A Dutch oven. Isn't that when you when you're farting and you know, people fart in the bed with you to keep it warm? I just thought that was worth mentioning. It is on a box of another sort. It's a nice tab and latch sort of box model. Yeah, just thought it would be fun to share with you guys. The real reason I brought you here today is guns. And I'm not really talking about fart guns. That's probably as low as I hope I'm going to sink on Keegzy's tool shed, is making fart jokes with you guys. I've actually got this here, heat gun. It's an Ozito Heat Gun kit. So I don't know what kit would come with it, but let's unbox it and find out. Because that's what boxes are for, unboxing them. Oh, beautiful morning anyway. So, it's getting pretty chilly now in the winter time. So you start to think about ways you can, warm yourself up while you're in your tool shed, or as I'm going to be on the weekend, while you're out in the bush camping. So that's a lovely box. You've got again, just like the Dutch oven box, your tab there and latch open. And this actually seems another box. Funny when tools come in their own box within a box. Why don't you just have that with a sticker on it? And I'd still buy it anyway. So that's 2000 watt 2-speed airflow. It tells you all the things about it. There it is, Ozito, good brand. They make lots of tools you can get easily at tool shops, and you'll find plenty of them back there in my tool shed as well, I kid you not. So I like how it had this hole where you could actually, were able to hold that. So without even opening this box, I carried that through the car park of the hardware store into my car without having to open it. Because, rewind it, yeah, that handle shows through, which is a good initiative. It saves a bit of cardboard too for them. Now, let's get into the real box. So again, Ozito, same brand, you're looking at a couple of clips here. Like a bit of a briefcase kind of thing. All right. Instruction manual for that. And great thing about Ozito, 3-year replacement warranty. That's a very good amount of warranty. Just if it happens to break on you or something, or get overworked, as long as you keep your receipt for that, take it back and get another one. Every time I've done that, it turns out within 2 years they don't make the same one for the same price. So usually it's a money back sort of thing. Ooh, some very shiny pieces in there. You see, it's a sunny day, so I can probably reflect that at you. Brand spanking. Oh, stinks. Okay, there's a few settings on it. There's a trigger. Come closer. Trigger and a knobular. Turn up the heat, up or down. Maybe if you turn it all the way down, it could even work as a cooling device. I'm not sure, I'll have to read the manual, but that's good if it is, because then you don't have to buy a fan as well. Yeah. Within the case, you've got a few extra pieces. That, I guess you clip these on the end and it changes your airflow direction. If you wanted to point the heat towards a specific place, something that was a bit cold, maybe a maxi bond that was a bit too hard on the teeth, you wanted to soften it up, you've got a spatula. Oh, I thought I was going to turn it into a Star Wars stick then, didn't you, when the light was shining up from it? Not in this tool shed, sorry. So yeah, you get a spatula, a heat ray, a couple of extra bits, this kind of screwdriver-y looking thing that has got some nuts on the end. Yeah, they think of everything, Ozito, it's good. There's that is, all the parts. That's unboxed, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I am, of course, going to test it out. So, along with that Dutch oven that I already showed you, it's KEEGZYS got a camping trip coming up, like I said, and I'm going to plan on taking the Dutch oven to cook my food in, and this heat ray, because it's winter now and I'm going into the mountains, it's going to be cold. A trick you can do listen to that. A trick you can do is just to like warm your body temperature up to where you want it. You can just put that into your clothing and warm up and huddle around in case you can't light a fire because it's raining or something. Hide in the tent and just heat gun yourself. It's the only gun that I would recommend doing that with, by the way, apart from maybe a fart gun. So, two click modes, louder or not quite as loud, and then this, we'll see if it goes cold like I thought maybe. Pretty warm. Turn up the heat, very warm. If I turn the heat right down, still warm. Okay, so it's not going to be a split system type heating and cooling, just hot. Don't get it too close. Lucky I was wearing a t-shirt under, because if that touched your skin, ooh. Yeah, doesn't take a lot of time to warm up. Yeah, it even smells like it's hot. So guys, that's Ozito 2000 watt heat ray, 2-speed airflow. Pill, watch out, because Keegzy is coming to warm up your hearts this winter. Thanks for watching the Tool Shed. Till next time.